Hi guys, welcome to Sunjay YouTube channel. Today you will know how to hide our WhatsApp profile. Okay, WhatsApp profile picture. Let's begin. First of all, open our WhatsApp application. Then click on three dot option, that is more option. Okay. Then click the setting option. Then clicks on the account option and privacy. Then the second option, that is profile picture. Select the profile picture by clicking on this. Okay, select the profile picture. Then you three new option will be displayed, which you want to give honor to see your profile picture. First option is everybody. If you select the everybody option, then everyone will see your profile picture. Okay, what's the profile picture? Then second one is my contact. It means which number you will save in your phone, then he will see your contact. Then nobody. If you select the nobody, then no one will be see your profile picture. Okay, either he will say or not save in your phone number. Okay, let's depend on you which type of option you will select. I will explain you every or three option will details to. Okay.